In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Temu reviews to your Shopify store. Unfortunately, since Shopify doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find the widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets appear. Underneath reviews right here, I want you to go down to and click on all-in-one reviews. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to this page right here. From here, I want you to scroll down and then click on create a widget for free. And then you'll be taken down to the template section. So as you can see on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different review templates that you can choose from. You have a standard carousel widget. It looks just like this on the right hand side. You have a grid widget. Looks like this. You have a simple carousel, you have a badge, and a bunch of other ones that you can also choose from. In my case, I'm going to go for the carousel widget because I like the look of it. Or actually, I'm going to go for the grid one right here because it displays more reviews. And as you can see on the right hand side here, these widgets are completely interactive. You can test them out and see what they would look like for your website visitors. But yeah, in my case, I'm going to go for this one right here. Don't worry about the actual design or the look of these templates just yet, because we can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on them anyway. So once you've decided the template that you want to go with, go ahead and click on continue this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page. So from here, instead of going to popular platforms, I want you to go down a bit here, and then where it says more platforms, I want you to click on custom. The reason why I want to do that is because Temu actually isn't part of this list right here, so we need to add it manually. Don't worry though, it's very quick and easy. And not only that, there's an actual benefit to doing this that I'm going to talk about in just a second. So click on custom here, and then the first thing you want to do here is obviously rename the source name to Temu, just like that, and then source icon, make sure to add the Temu logo here. So go ahead, click on add, and then click on upload file, or you can also upload it through a URL. In my case, I've gone for the file. Give it a couple of seconds to upload, and then you will see it right here, as you can see. Now, since Temu isn't actually part of the Elfsight reviews widget, what we need to do is go ahead and add every review manually. And while this might seem a little bit of an effort, what this allows you to do is kind of like choose which reviews you want, rather than have the application fetch all the reviews from Temu and display everything where you don't really have a choice of what type of reviews are being displayed. So yeah, by having this, we can enter each review that we want, and then it'll be displayed right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of reviews, and I'll be back in just a second. So as you can see, I've written a bunch of text right here. This is for the actual review. Then right here, you can also customize the reviewer name. So in this case, I would do Peter Jones, or Peter John, like that, doesn't matter. Then you can also add the reviewer photo if you wanted to make this a bit more authentic. In my case, I'm not going to do that because it doesn't really matter, since this is just a tutorial. Then you can also change the star rating from 5 stars to 3 stars if you want, whatever it might be. You can change the publication date of that particular review. Then you can even add your own reply as the business owner if you want to increase the authenticity of these reviews. And of course, if you want to, you can also add some photos right here. In this case, I talked about some device. You can add photos if you have that, but you don't need to do that. Then once you're done here, go ahead and click on done, and then your first review will be added. As you can see, it will be right here. Then all you have to do is repeat this process as many times as you want and add as many reviews as you'd like. From Temu, in my case, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these because it doesn't really matter since this is just a tutorial, like I said previously. So there we go. We got 3 reviews. It looks very nice and even. And once we've done that, go ahead and click on done right here. And then what you can do, if you have more than 3 reviews like I have, you can also filter them out and sort them depending on how you want them to be displayed. So in the filtration here, so for example, rating at least 5 stars, and then total number of reviews to show. You can basically decide whether you want to have 3, whether you want to have 20. It doesn't matter. Then you can also exclude reviews. In this case, it doesn't really make any In this case, it doesn't really make sense to do that because we've manually selected which reviews we wanted to include. But yeah, there's so many different customizations that you can make here to this template that would make it truly yours. Now, in terms of the actual design and the look of the Temu reviews widget, what you can do is go to the left-hand side here and you will see layout, header, review, style, and settings. These are all the different customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize the template that you see right here. So for example, the accent color right now is blue. I can make it yellow if I want to do, and this refers to this little tick right here. I can make it green, I can make it black. I can also make the widget dark if I wanted to. In my case, I'm actually going to go ahead and do that. You can also customize the background, the widget title, headers, ratings, etc. In the header here, you can show the header if you wanted it to look like this. It will display the number of reviews that you have and the average star rating. You can hide the rating, you can hide the header. As you can see, there's a lot of different things that you can customize. I'm not going to go through every single one. I'll leave this up to you to explore and customize the template at your own pace. On the right hand side here, you also have a mobile view in case you wanted to see what this particular template will look like if it was to be browsed through a mobile device. But yeah, once you have customized your Temu reviews widget to your liking, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then your widget will be saved up and then you'll be taken to this page right here. Just give it a couple of seconds to load, which is where you now need to publish the widget. In my case, the widget is already published. As you can see in the top right corner of the screen, it says published in gray. In your case, it will not be grayed out. It will be in green, just like this button right here, and it will say publish. Go ahead and click on publish and then you'll be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like and this is where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget to be creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget, in this case the Temu reviews, and then that's for up to 200 views. Of course, if you wanted to add more widgets to your Shopify website, or if you want to unlock more functionalities or get that widget seen by more people, then obviously you can go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones they can choose from, and if you choose to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected the plan that works the best for you, you will then be taken to the page where you can copy the code for the widget. It will look just like this. So go ahead, click on copy code, and let's head over to Shopify so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in my Shopify editor right here, as you can see. So what we need to do, go to the page where you want your Temu reviews widget to be added to. In my case, I want them on the home page right here. And where's this template? I'm going to go ahead and click on add section in the bottom here. So go ahead and do that. And where it says search sections, simply type in custom, and then you'll see custom liquid right here. Click on that, and then you can decide where you want the Temu reviews to be displayed. In my case, I want them at the bottom here beneath the products. So once you've done that, what you want to do is double click on this, and then where it says liquid code in this box, go ahead and paste the code we just copied from Elfsight. Give it a couple of seconds, and then it will be displayed right here beneath the products. As you can see, this is what it looks like for me. Don't worry about this panel right here. This is only visible by us, just in case you want to click on edit widget right here, and then it will take you to Elfsight where you can make customizations to the widget in real time without deleting it while it's still live on your website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Temu reviews to your Shopify website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.